Your team moves like a race car, zooming down the track towards revenue. And even the top drivers need support to clinch victory. Enter AI, your team's ultimate pit crew. AI speeds up repetitive tasks, enhances personalization, and improves decision-making, helping 83% of teams experience revenue growth. At Salesloft, AI is embedded throughout the entire platform, from prioritizing actions and guiding next steps with relevant messaging, to determining likelihood to close and improving forecast accuracy, to identifying coachable moments and analyzing data about your buyers. It's not serving as a replacement, but as a partner to free up time and energy from mundane tasks and help your team solve problems more strategically. That way, they can prioritize the activities that drive revenue and create better buying experiences. Use AI to cross the finish line with Salesloft today.